Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, I am Imran from JCDCS 1431F. Today, I would like to show you how we can apply the application of geometry in real life. Let's go. So hi everyone, for our first case, we would like to study about a tolerance. So I will tell you briefly about the history of this tolerance. Tolerance has a practical story. It all started back in 1908 when a Swiss chocolatier named Theodor Tobler, along with his cousin Emil Baumann, decided to make a new kind of chocolate. They named it as Toblerone, which is a mashup for Tobler, which is his last name, and a Toron, the Italian word for nougat, which is a key ingredient in the chocolate. The fun fact of this chocolate is that the Toblerone packaging originally featured the Matterhorn, which is one of the most famous mountains in Switzerland. The iconic mountain peak still appears on the modern Toblerone packaging, but now it's considered a stylized representation of the Matterhorn, connecting to the chocolate to its Swiss roots. In fact, things that I like about this chocolate is the unique shape. The iconic triangular prism shape was meant to stand out. The combination of the triangular pieces allowed Toblerone to be broken easily into segments, making it a more practical and fun way to eat chocolate compared to traditional rectangular bars. In another word, this chocolate can easily break into pieces. Just press it, and as simple as that. So that's all for history and characteristic. Let's move to the volume and surface area. In volume section, I would like to tell you about the information given. Given that the length of prism is 15 cm, the height of triangle is 2.4 cm, and the slant height of triangle is 3.5 cm. So, do any of you notice that the base of the triangle is not given right here? Right? So, in order to find the base, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So, the formula given is b squared equal to c squared minus a squared. So, fill the information given in the formula. So, it will be b squared equal to 3.5 squared minus 2.4 squared. So, the next step you will get b equal to square root of 6.49. So, use the calculator and you will get the answer base is 2.55. But that is for the half of the base. If you want to get the total base, we have to multiply by 2. So, the total base is 2.55 times 2. So, we will get 5.1 cm. Since we got the base already, so we can use the formula of the volume. So, given the formula of volume is area of base multiple length of prism. So, we know the area of base is known as a triangle. So, we can substitute the area of base by the area of triangle. 1/2 times base of triangle times height of triangle times length of prism. Fill all the information given inside the formula. So 1/2 times 5.1 times 2.4 times 15. So the final answer you will get 91.8. So in conclusion, the volume of Toblerone is 91.8 cm3. So that's all for volume section. Now let's move to the surface area section. So how to find the surface area? We have two ways. The first way, in order to find surface area, we should calculate the area of all the faces that make up a prism. A triangular prism has 2 triangular faces and 3 rectangular faces. The information given is the height of triangle is 2.4 cm and the base of triangle we have found already, which is 5.1 cm. So we can use the information to find the area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is 1/2 times 5.1 times 2.4. So we will get 6.12. But remember, that is for a triangle. For 2 triangles, we have to multiply by 2. So 6.12 times 2. So we will get 12.24. That's it for triangular faces. For rectangular, we have 3 faces, but they don't share the same area and length. The first rectangle is width, the base, and length, while the rest of rectangles is one slanted side and the length. Why I say 2? Because there are two rectangles that share the same slanted side and the length. So let's focus on the first rectangle. The first rectangle, we have the base width 15 and the length width 5.1 cm. So we can find the area. The area is 5.1 times 15 and we will get 76.5. For the second and third rectangle, we have the base width 15 cm and the slanted side with 3.5 cm. So we can find the area for both rectangles. So the area is 3.5 times 15. So we will get 52.5. Since we have two same rectangles, we have to multiply by 2. So 52.5 times 2 rectangle. So the final answer we will get 105 cm. Since we get the area of all the faces, we can calculate the surface area as well. So the surface area is area of 2 triangles plus area of 3 rectangles. The surface area will be 12.24 plus 76.5 plus 52.5 plus 52.5. So the final answer will be 193.74. So in conclusion, the surface area of Toblerone is 193.74. That's it for the first way. For the second way, we have the formula given for surface area. So surface area is 2b plus ph, which is b refers to area of base, p refers to perimeter of base, and h refers to height of prism. So given the information is b equal to 6.12, perimeter is 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 5.1. So the perimeter is 12.1 and the height of prism is 15 cm. So by the information given, we can calculate the surface area. So the surface area is 2 times 6.12 plus 12.1 times 15. The final answer we get the same answer, which is 193.74. So that's all for first case. Let's move to the second case that will be presented by my classmates.
The first case is the MSG sphere. The MSG sphere is located in Paradise, Nevada, United States, built in 2023.
It also took 5 years to build and spent over $2.3 billion.
Its main attraction is the 16K resolution wrapped around LED screen and advanced sound system, making it ideal for concerts, films, and events. We choose the MSG sphere for our application of geometry to calculate the volume of sphere. The information given is the radius of the sphere, which is 258 feet. Just put the radius in the formula and type it in the calculator. We can get the sphere's volume, which is 71,936,238.85 cubic feet, or 2,037,007.44 cubic meters.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Syahmi and I'm from class J CDCS 1431S. Next, we want to calculate the surface area for the MSG sphere building. We use the formula surface area equal to 4 pi r square. We use the same information, which is that the radius of the sphere is 258 feet. Then, we substitute the value into the formula. Then, we will get the result is 836,467.89 feet square, or 77,710.41 meters square. That's all for the second case.
So what can I conclude in this study is that I can manage to apply geometric concepts to real-world problems, improving my ability to calculate volume and surface area, and reinforcing the practical application of math in everyday life.
Based on this case, I realized that geometry has a lot of importance in our life. Geometry is very important in the field of construction and architecture. Geometry is fundamental in designing buildings, bridges, and other structures. Architects use geometric principles to create spaces that are safe, functional, stable, and aesthetically pleasing.
That's all from me, thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you.